Good day, it's Annelie van Rensburg, and today I'm going to do a little bit of pouring. I've done this about a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. I don't know, maybe 18 months, I'm not sure. So I found these in a drawer in my studio that I forgot about. It's already mixed with Floetrol, 3 parts Floetrol with 1 part of acrylic paint, a little bit of water, so it gets the consistency to almost this. You can see it's just flowing off my stick. I'm not sure if this is going to work though, because it's been standing there, as I said, for ages, but we're going to try it. I've leveled my canvas, otherwise all the paint goes off on the sides. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use silicone in here. So I made I've just tested and made this thinner. It's a little bit of orange, red, a dark grey and a light grey, and I'm going to use white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour them all in this cup. I'm not going to put silicone in, as I said. I'm not sure what this colours is going to do. As I said, I've done this a long time ago. I don't even know if I can do this anymore, but let's try. No silicone. So I'm going to turn this over, flip it over, just put it down. Remember, you need to work on a 100% level surface, otherwise all your paint is going to roll off one corner. So I'm just going to put a little bit of white around here, so let the paint can glide easier over the canvas. I actually haven't got canvas. I live in a very small town, so I just took a piece of Superwood and I painted it with white acrylic. Just going to flatten this a little bit. I'm just going to put a little bit around there. Just works easier for me if you put a layer on the bottom. Otherwise you need to tilt a lot and then all your cells go boom. But yeah, as I said, I haven't got any silicone in here. So we're going to try this and see what comes out. Maybe I'm not even going to post it. Maybe I will. Just lift it. Now I'm just going to let it slowly go from one corner to another. I hope it's going to dry well if it's a nice pour, because as I said, this stuff is sitting for ages in my cupboard. The reason why I haven't put in silicone here is I sometimes use this as backgrounds in my art, and the moment you put the silicone in, it gets oily, and then you need to struggle to get that off. So I'm not going to put any silicone in. You can see here's my cup. I'm just going to quickly pop the bubbles, because if you mixed it, you put in a little bit of air. And I just want to pop them. You can do this as well if you put silicone in, just to get your cells going. Now I've done this, as I said, a very long time ago. I don't want to spoil my cells here. And I've got that lacing there that I also like. So I'm almost thinking I'm just going to leave it as is. Because if you tilt it too much, your cell stretches and breaks sometimes. Okay, I just think I don't know, it's going to be a little bit too thick and can crack maybe, but I'm going to leave it like this. I actually love those dark grey with a orange inside there, and those little organic forms that's starting to form there and there, almost like trees in a landscape. So what I'll do, as soon as it's dry, I will take a picture, and hopefully it will be nice. I'm just going to try and take out my camera and go a little bit closer. Sorry, excuse me, I'm not very good at that. Now you can see those ones I like a lot. That even if you just use that piece, and look at that organic forms, almost like trees growing there or something. Almost looks like a landscape if you turn it like that. And there you go. This is very fun and very addictive, and I usually don't know what I'm going to get, but I like this one a lot. So I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell that you can get uploads from my next videos and so on. And I would love if you leave a comment. And if you want to see me do more pouring, as I said, I've done it a long time ago, just ask me in the comments. I would love some feedback. Thank you very much and have a nice day.